The Polar Bear by Kalel Ramos. Scientifical is called Ursus maritimus. Look the pictures. They are in danger of extinction due to the loss of its won't be their habitat. Poor bear. Look the pictures. Leech is a carnivore mammal. Look the bears. Look. Lip fills special on cells. You can see the cells. Look the pictures. Look. Ya voy diciendo muchas palabras. They live in very cold areas. There are currently 20,000 and 25,000 polar bears in the world. Adivina, adivinador, soy blanco, vivo en lugares fríos. Soy grande, soy peludo. ¿Quién será? El oso polar. Gracias. Bye, amigos.